Hola, I'm Sofía Miñano. I'm a research software engineer from Spain, working at the Neuroscience Institute in London, the Sainsbury Wellcome Centre. I am part of the Neuroinformatics unit, where I develop software packages to support the research taking place in the Institute and also in the wider neuroscience community. Beyond the technical work, I am committed to promoting good software development practices in science and have taken active steps to advocate for their importance. For example, this year, I led the successful application of our group, the Neuroinformatics Unit, to the Google Summer of Code program. In May, I gave a guest talk at the University of Valencia, where I promoted the role of RSS in science to a Spanish-speaking audience. In August, I contributed to the Open Software Week, a summer school organized by two SSI fellows in my group, Nico Simpilatse and Alessandro Felder, for which I prepared and delivered introductory content on computer vision. Since November 2024, I co-organized the Charlas RSC in Español, a monthly seminar on research software engineering in Spanish. I have done this together with Carlos Gavidia Calderón, who is an RSC from the Alan Turing Institute. The idea started from a conversation during the DEI workshop at RSCCon 2024, which quickly turned into our first talk in November 2024. The seminar has since continued on a monthly basis, attracting a growing audience both in person and online, and featuring excellent speakers from 6 different nationalities so far. However, its London base has meant it mainly connects with Hispanophones based in the UK. With this fellowship, I would like to bring the Charlas RC closer to Latin America. This year's sessions have shown me how much we can learn from the emerging RSC movement and the excellent Spanish-speaking talent in the region, and how much we can share too from our UK-based perspective. The fellowship proposal has 2 parts. The first is an online preparatory session in collaboration with RSC Chile, a regional group led by SSI fellow Riva Quiroga. The goal is to help our community prepare workshop and talk proposals for the International Research Software Conference. This is a hybrid event organized by the Research Software Alliance just before RSCCon in September 2026. In a couple of dedicated slots from the Charlas RSC, we will invite applicants to rehearse their talks or pitch the workshops, and they will receive expert feedback. This way, we hope to increase participation of the Spanish-speaking community in the conference. The second part of the proposal is an in-person university-based event in Chile. For this, we also count with the support of Felipe Huerta Pérez, an active member of our community and an assistant professor at UC Chile. The event would bring together around 25 participants for 1 or 2 days, giving both experts and novices the chance to collaborate on software tools for the community. The aim is to tap into local talent and strengthen existing connections with in-person interactions. We hope the experience and outcomes are also useful for other language-based communities of practice. Some project ideas for the in-person session include translating to Spanish the Building Better Research Software course from the Carpentries, which is currently in beta phase. Translating the RSC Scavenger Hunt, developed by Guadalupe Barrios Sazo, into Spanish. Developing an LLM-based bot to support a community newsletter. Prototyping an instant translation tool for our seminars between Spanish and other languages. Enhancing the Charlas RSC website, including learning resources, or running experiments with LLM models playing games using Lucia Cipollina Kuhn's game reasoning arena framework. Some of these tools have been previously presented in our seminar. I expect the main expenses for this proposal to be travel, with most logistics supported through collaboration with a local university. As for outcomes, I hope our preparatory sessions will increase the participation of Spanish speakers in the International Research Software Conference. I would also invite in-person attendees to contribute a blog post to the seminar's website, reflecting on their experience. In addition, if participants are interested in joining the organizing team, we could establish a Charlas hub in Latin America and alternate future sessions between the 2 hubs. I believe this proposal could have a strong impact by leveraging on the existing Charlas network to push further the internationalization of the RSC role and foster a fruitful exchange of knowledge between Spanish-speaking communities in the UK and the Americas.